Actually, I had it rolling the whole time.
Okay. Okay.
So
This is a 50-50 mix of alcohol and water. I'm just gonna wipe this down here. Make sure that there's good adhesion. Okay, so I'm going to reinstall the supplied screw. It's in here, in this angle. I'm going to reinstall the screw that initially came out of here. There it goes. Push it up so it's a clean fit right here. You see right here, it's clean.
Mm-hmm.
And then what we got to do is we have to drill a hole here. So I'm going to take my permanent marker and make sure this is pressed in the right way. And I'm going to drill a little hole here. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So there's a hole right here. So I'm going to press this up and then go in the hole and like that. So we have two drill bits we're going to use. We have a 3/16, which we're going to use instead of the 5mm, and we have the 5/16, which we're going to use instead of the I think it's a 10.
Mm-hmm.
Or is it 8?
I think it's 8.
8mm, yeah. So now I'm gonna loosen again to remove this splash guard. I'm gonna loosen this. And this one here. And you have to drill through this piece and that back piece right there. Okay, and then the bottom right here too. You see that?
Yep.
And this one, there's going to be I think a clip. Yeah, the original clip's going to go through here, so we don't have to do one layer. Now let's double check and make sure our clip's going to fit in here. Looks okay.
Mm-hmm.
Probably be a little bigger. Since this isn't exactly the right exact size of the, you know?
Right. Just gonna compensate a little bit for it.
Yeah. That works. Okay, ready? So this piece, since we're going to be taking this adhesive off, we have to have this kind of stick out like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, once again, reinstall the... Oh wait, there's one part we forgot. So, this piece right here, you see that piece?
Yeah.
So this piece has to get installed like this, back here. And then there's a supplied screw that they give you that gets screwed back in there. And then a supplied screw.
Keep all your hardware.
Peel this tape off.
Up just a bit. There you go.
So peeling the tape off. And I want to make sure that you apply at least 15 pounds of pressure onto this. Hope you weren't zoomed in for the rest of it like that.
I hope not.
Alright. And then the original clip that we took out goes right here. Can you push it back a little because you're like right underneath the hole? Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Completed. Bam. There.
Yeah, and
Comes around.
that does look a little odd right here, but this hole, we didn't, remember we drilled this one, not that one. What we could do is try to loosen this a little bit. This is an adjustment, I guess, we can make. And we can try to press that forward more, like that. How's that?
Perfect.
Better? Okay, cool. And the last one over there.
Sweet.
We have to wash this area here to the back, where, especially where the adhesive is. We have to make sure it's clean. So like this area right here, and that whole area, especially the top of it right here. No. Lubricant. Lubricant. Especially want to clean those areas that we know it's going to be sticking to. Especially right here. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Right over here. Mix with water. Right. That's first. I gotta get down there. Right there. There's.
There it goes.
I'm gonna remove the top adhesive piece first. There it is. And back one. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start applying pressure from here. To the back. 15 pounds of pressure. Can you see this? I'm going to drill the hole here.
Hold on, right there, got it.
And position it in there. That's it.
That's it.
It's done.